one I only picked up because he was such a baby and his head was so pecked and everything, and I didn't realize until I got him home that his leg is also
sweetie.
broken.
Okay. Hi, sweetie. Hi, honey. I know, you're a skinny mini, aren't you? Yes, they can. Or they deglove, the scalp is evulsed. Evulsed. You can actually see he's got swollen joints.
Swollen joints.
Yeah.
I think the other leg is strange too, right?
We're gonna see what that's not great. May not be broken.
That's the bad leg, right?
They're both very swollen at the foot.
It looks like they. See, this is what's scaring me about the netting, because that would be consistent with that.
He also had some sort of impact up here on his leg, but that's healed. It's an extra bump.
They can't just be falling out of trees.
I don't think so. But there's something's not good with his
The
joints.
site where they are also is going to be on the netting, so that's a concern. Okay.
What is wrong with you? It may not be broken at all, Carol. It may be a joint problem, which might not be
Like
a great
arthritis?
prognosis. He's way too young to have arthritis, so
Does he have tree?
we're going to have to check that. Well, could you get some eye drops?
Oh,
yes.
It's true.
No.
Help you or something sometime if I ever can.
Oh, he is eating. We're going to set up an x-ray. Robin's going to set it up.
Make sure, Rita, make sure. But now I'm afraid that he's not going to eat again.
Okay, we're going to go take a
Okay.
picture. So you're in the prep room now. All right, here we go, baby doll. We're particularly going to want to get his feet for those swollen
Foot pads.
This looks like a form of torture almost, but it's the most secure way to bind them. The other option is putting them out under gas, which they can die from, particularly a fragile bird. So this is how you do it. But they make such pretty pictures. Such pretty pictures. Hurry up, Robin. Hurry up. There you go, sweetie pie. Yes, he is.
Is that his hurt foot?
They're both hurt.
Oh, geez.
They're both swollen. There's something going on in the joints. I don't think it's broken, but we're going to look and see if it's a bone swelling or if it's just other tissue. Okay, so we have just a little bit more tape.
Small one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I make one?
Yep. Raise. Radiation. Yes, be a brave bird. Brave bird.
So what do you see?
I don't really know what this is. Remember I spoke about something that was old and a lump on that leg? It's mottled. It isn't
Maybe it was already like some
but it has a modeling to it that it shouldn't. Bones aren't supposed to look like that. They're supposed to look like this. So from here down, he has a modeling in the bone. So that's a very strange situation.
That would be pretty cool.
It is, and we don't see it that often. We're going to euthanize this little guy, but it's a nice method. It's peaceful, calm, expensive,
Yeah, very
and
Very
it's
humane.
much nicer.
Very humane.
So,
And
there's no way to cure
he's
it
in
either.
pain.
Yeah.
I hope I don't get upset.
No, I'm sorry.
Okay.
The
No,
poor
it's
baby. The swollen joints and the lump that we felt in the leg on the x-ray shows that the bone has lesions.
There's really not a treatment for it.
So you hold him. This goes into the chest cavity and is slowly absorbed by the organs. So he gets sleepy first.
You see him?
And birds the size of a pigeon
Okay,
or
sweetie.
larger.
Okay.
Because
You're
other
gonna go to
birds we
sleepy.
have to put them out under gas and then we can do this.
You're
Or
gonna go
into
to
the
sleepy, sweetheart.
Just
You're
gonna be
go to
sleepy.
sleepy. You're gonna go sleepy.